Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Marilyn and today I'll show you how to install Oracle VirtualBox. So I already have it. I'm installing an update which is almost the same as installing a new one. So let's go to the VirtualBox website. This is how it is. I'll leave the link down below. Click on downloads. And depending on your operating system, go ahead and click on the right one. Mine is Windows, so let's click on Windows. And it's going to automatically give you the latest one. So I already downloaded this. Let's cancel it and then go to your downloads. Here it is. Double click on it. So next. Okay, yes, install. It might take a while, so just give it time. This might take several minutes. So I'll go ahead and pause this, and when it's almost finished, I'll meet you. And you can see it's finished downloading, so just go ahead and click, no, not downloading, rather installing, click finish. If you don't want it to start automatically, you can uncheck that box. You can uncheck the box. So there it goes. And then you have an old version of the extension pack. Do you want to download it? Just say yes. Download the extension pack. And for a new installation, it's not going to say it doesn't have an old version of the extension pack. It's going to say it doesn't have an extension pack, so you'll have to download one. So install that. I agree. Yes. Okay. If you want, you can delete the downloaded extension pack or you can keep it. So there we have a new version of VirtualBox. Yours should be empty because you haven't installed any systems in your VirtualBox yet. So I already have a video on how to install Kali Linux on VirtualBox. I'll leave it in the description box. And I'm going to show you another video right after this on how to install Metasploitable. So thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and come back. Bye.